Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a hike to Dog Slaughter Falls, and I'm about to come up to my first obstacle here. I was actually wondering why the trailhead was closed. It's a big orange stripe that said closed on it, so I drove down a little bit further to a different trailhead, and this one had a pink stripe on it. And I'll let you see. That would be why. The bridge is gone. So you're gonna have to bear with me for a second. I'm gonna try to go across this here, and let's see how this works. Well, somebody was nice enough to tie this rope onto a tree on this side all the way to, I don't know if you can see it on that side. So one of two things is going to happen here. Either this is going to help me get across, or I might get my feet wet. Let's hope for the best. These rocks are definitely not dry. Let's see if there's a better combination of getting across here. Oh yeah, definitely slick. Yeah, it's nice and loose. I have to remember whatever way I go across, I'm gonna have to come across this later. I had to clean all the valuable stuff out of the truck, just in case some hillbilly decides he wants my stuff instead of working for his own stuff. Well, that didn't work. Oh boy. Talk about slick. Whew. Good deal. Nice and slick here. Alright. Gotcha. That's kind of cool. A lot of them green trees here. Alright. That's supposed to be 51. Sun shining through everywhere. Be a nice day. That's kind of neat. Look at that tree actually growing out of the side of the rocks. Huh. That's neat. It's still alive. And you got all these little green, I don't even know if you want to call them trees. Are they trees? Little green trees or shrubs or bushes or something. Can't believe they're still green. Slicker than Vaseline at a Diddy party, but like Justin Bieber, we gotta make it through. There we go. Right. Because if you don't, you're gonna have Jay-Z and everybody else down there waiting for you. Oh, that's horrible, I shouldn't say that. He's not found guilty yet. That's nice. Alright. I had to take a leak real quick. I don't think you guys want to see that. Or maybe you do. Let me know. Just kidding. Let's try not to get crushed by these monster icicles here. That's cool though. Everybody had to come in here and have their way. Their initials on all these rocks. Actually looks like it could be a little swimming hole. It actually looks kind of deep. I'd say like 4 or 5 feet somewhere out there. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, that's neat. Look at the rocks. That's cool. Good deal. I'm gonna take some pictures real quick. Alright guys. I might maybe be a little bit closer or not. Oh yeah, that's where we gotta go. Look at that. Kind of inconvenient if I don't say so myself, but it's not my way to change this, right? Trail's actually okay, it's kind of dry here. See that? Awesome cliffs here. Check that out, sun shining through. Alright, we're about to make it down to the falls. Well, we're gonna make a descent down to the falls over here. I gotta say, it definitely looks a lot better than Eagle Falls. Drove down there, walked probably in 90-degree weather, high humidity. That was almost it right there, guys. Even though this would be a beautiful place to die, let's not do that. I'm not ready yet. As I was saying though. Oh yeah, but 90 degrees, high humidity. And you can guess about how humid my drawers were after that. Awesome. Wow. Look at that. Good deal. Well worth the hike. That is awesome. Said guys, get out here and do this. This is it only took me about a little bit more than an hour, but it was slick and icy, so it's actually not that bad. Say spring, summertime, anybody can do this. Come on, you got a couple little rocks to juggle, it's not bad at all. Get out, enjoy the fresh air, the nature, see the scenery. Check this out. It's good stuff right here. Another little incident. Look at that. Good deal. Whenever you guys do, don't be in a rush if you ever come down here in the snow and ice like this, because you will bust your arse. And I can promise you, I don't have service right now. I don't know exactly how emergency SOS calling will be. I can't imagine it'd be awesome, guys. This was totally worth the hike, guys. An hour? Come on. I'm gonna sit down here for a little while, munch on some stuff, maybe smoke like a half a cigar. See if I can cross over here somewhere without breaking an ankle or something. And yeah, I'm gonna take some good pictures with my phone and a video. I might clip it in here for you guys. Find the right spot. I'm gonna kind of cheat and use these people's footprints to find a good spot. Hopefully I don't run into somebody's crap pile. Ah. I don't know if you guys have ever seen that guy on the internet. He's kind of a fruitcake. His name, I can't remember his name, but the double rainbow guy. Oh my God, a double rainbow. Oh my God, a beautiful waterfall. No, but it is pretty nice. And it's different. Not everybody gets to see it with ice forming around the edges, snow on the rocks. I'm guessing right there is a good spot since that's where everybody's climbing up to, but I'll surprise you. I don't know if I'm gonna take that risk or not. I don't know if these boots are grippy enough for that. We will see. Alright, talk to you guys in a little bit. Past this rock on the way in. Perfect lines in this thing. So perfect lines in there. It's awesome. It's awesome. Nature is awesome. Being outside is awesome. Seeing things like that is awesome. Oh man. I think this one's not too bad. Oh, that one's this one. Okay. Alright. I'm only 34. It makes me show my age. Alright. Go. Sun shining. Sun on your back is always nice. Huh. I don't know what that was. Still have something down in the water down here. What was that? Huh. I heard a splash or something. Better not be a bear. Otherwise I'll have to show them what crap's in the woods here. I always thought blackbirds weren't dangerous. Remember in Wisconsin when we seen them, we always made a bunch of noise, clink like a metal pipe on a truck or something. Anything that was loud just to scare them off. And I thought grizzly bears were more dangerous. But an old man kind of told me otherwise. He said they'll maul you to death and eat your guts while you're still alive. And think about that. That does not sound like a fun Friday night to me. Let me tell you. You'd probably be alive with guts laying on the floor. And it'll get below freezing tonight. It'd be worse than dying on Mount Everest, let me tell you. I got some people walking up that way. I can kind of see why. You walk up that way and not down Ice-Mageddon here. But for the sake of YouTube entertainment, I'm going to attempt not to bust my arch. I was never really good at hockey or ice skating. I was good at hitting people with that stick, knocking them Ow. No, it's a nice little low spot. The snow is back. I'd say it's an awesome walk so far. Definitely had those spots where you just kind of dread it. Been a couple hikes I've had where you really just dread going back and having to walk that section again, but I think that back there was probably the worst of all of it. Crossing those stones on the creek up here, or the stream, whatever you want to call it. That wasn't bad. It was actually kind of fun. Fish, some shad or something. And this rock feature here, I think, is really cool. Yeah. How many millions of years that had to take to form those rocks. Be slated, and it looks like they're almost stacked on top of each other. Yeah, let's go down here and check it out. Look at this. Some revolving rocks. Actually, I'll walk up here because I know we can get up here. Get off the beaten path a little bit. Slick. Ooh, real slick. How nice and clean and clear the water is. Awesome. All right. Save the battery life for the complicated stuff for you guys. It's this nice, slick, snowy descent here. Not too bad, actually. I got this cliff again. Or a cliff, we want to call it, like a rock wall. Right. Oh, perfect. That was good. I'll walk up an icicle decided to fall. Fun stuff, people. Wow. Yeah. Gets you thinking a little bit. Whoa. About to cross the river. All right. Alright, I'm saving that battery for this moment right here. Moment of truth right here if I Alright, this would be a moment of truth right here if I get wet feet or not. Will be the decision maker for if I go up to this next waterfall or not. Don't ask me why, people, but the GoPro keeps shutting off. It says there's a low power, but I'm looking at it right now. It says 38%. All right, but I waited for you. For the sake of YouTube and entertainment. Okay. Not bad at all. Get it done. Alright. Moment of truth to see if the truck got broken into by some hillbillies now. Be just my luck, but I don't hear the alarm going off. Well, that was a good hike. tell you guys, it took me 15, just under 3 hours. Say under 3 hours. 2 hours 50 minutes to get there and back. But you've seen some of what I had to go through. So yeah, you could probably knock that down to 2 hours, I think, there and back, if we had springtime or summer. But yeah,